Okay, well, this is part 5. Pretty neat stuff. Let's keep going. A lot of minerals. There's a lot of birds. Well, there's a lot of rocks. Here's your names. Yeah, it's 4 really gold. I surely doubt it. Or 5. So that's silver, huh? Yeah, before it becomes a coin, that's silver. Assuming that's really gold, but before that becomes a coin, that's what it looks like. Ooh. Touch, okay. Not all rocks are from the moon rock. Remember, we're flying by the moon. Huh? Okay, apparently going to space now. Woo! Birth of a star. Keep going. Oh, apparently a lot of. Okay, apparently there's different types of meteors. Okay, apparently not all of the rocks are the same from space, too. Yeah. Keep going. Mountains and earthquakes. Keep going. Ooh. And more rocks. Holy crap, there's a lot of rocks. Tiny rocks too. Are those diamonds? Yep, diamond. Oh, was it diamonds? Huh. Okay, apparently there's many types of diamonds too. Look at all that. Oh, look at all that. Oh, look at all that. Look at that. Keep going. So, yep, apparently there's a different type of volcanic rock too as well. Rocks from space, rocks from rise. Rock some gems. Ooh, look fun here. Or in English. Oh, it's an earthquake. Okay, guess we're gonna close it. Okay. Oh wait. Come on, danger, 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 danger. Yay! Billions died. Oh, it's underwater. Oh, I think it caused a tsunami. Yep. Ah, caught it, caught it. Did I call it? Call it before I said it. Alright. Somewhere earthquake's about to happen. Okay. So, yep, players is playing up different plates, so that's what happens when they rub against each other. Okay, that what happens underwater. Oh. Yay, millions died. Okay, press again. That's right, kids. Play the game, and you too could kill billions in different ways. Wait, did I already play this part already? Boom! Everybody's dead. Okay, yeah. Apparently, there's only two types of earthquakes. Go figure. Millions are dead. Okay. Yay, millions are dead. More rocks. Oh, it's like the birds all over again. Alright. Okay, no rock comes out of that clean and cut. Oh, okay, I get it. That's what it sees above. But yeah, that's what they look like before and after. So remember, look out for these rocks. They may actually be valuable. But yep, that's what they look like. That's what they look like before they cut. Yep.
I could get my next pair of earrings.
Well, just remember, at least you know what to look for.
Yeah.
In case you see one of these rocks, you know not to throw them out. Take a look around. More crystals. Boom. What we got here? More riddles. Wait a minute. Oh, it's big minerals. Quartz. Look at that. Yep, that's stuff you put in watches. We are the crystal gems. Oh, come on. I think I did a pretty good job holding back, not singing that song. Oh, come on. Oh. And all that. Oh. Yeah, and you see to realize, like birds, there's a lot of different types of rocks. You know that, did you? Look at that.
Press the round button that is between the two arrows.
More rocks. More rocks. Ooh. More rocks. I think that one's supposed to be let's see what they call it. Rose quartz. It doesn't say. What's it supposed to be? Oh, magnetic. Look at that. I guess it makes sense. I mean, iron, no. Okay, I don't know if that was iron, but you get the idea. I shouldn't be shocked. Was I here already? No, I wasn't here yet. More rocks. So many rocks. So many rocks. Big rocks, small rocks, valuable rocks. Alright. More rocks. Rocks looks like bugs in it.
Collectors would start going in there and finding these rare and strange minerals that they found really exciting. The first collector was Frank Mouse, and he brought the samples to the technique in Montreal.
Keep going.
Identification that's what really is scientific work on the species that some of the land.
Keep going. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think that's all of them. Well, that was part 5. See you in part 6.